I know what it's like to sit there looking at a screen and not sure what to create. If you're a small business and you're struggling massively on 2 points, you're trying to generate content and actually keep the business running and afloat, then this is the video for you. As you can see here, these are a few tools that I've actually integrated into my own community at this moment in time. You can see obviously we have the YouTube content funnel, never run out of content ideas, and AI content calendar generator is one. These are three. I think in total I have four. Again, they're all going to be part of the membership group. If anyone's interested in joining, link is in the description. One of these tools is free to use, and I'll also mention that when I actually get to it. So let's jump straight on over to it. So tool number one here is going to help you generate content ideas from YouTube videos. So if you're like me and you watch YouTube regularly, you get a lot of ideas from YouTube videos, and you may be creating your own YouTube videos, and again you want to try and repurpose and get actual more quantity of content from it. Well, this is a perfect tool for you. Simple and easy to use. Input the URL, input the transcript, give it a bit of information about your business, what the channels you want to use, and lo and behold, it spits out your ideas over here on the right hand side. Over here on the right hand side, if you can see it, we'll try and zoom in a bit. If you can see it over here, you can, simple enough, TikTok short form video idea, 5 posts with AI. So hook is I'm stuck creating content. Watch how I turn one idea into a week's worth of posts in minutes. Lo and behold, you're watching it right now in long form version. So that's pretty much one idea there. You have an Instagram carousel post, generic AI, smart AI. Again, this is obviously built, if you look at the bottom left down here, you can see this is obviously built on my own business and my own information. This is where you would put your information. It gives you a load of different ideas, and I think one of the key benefits here of this is top of the funnel content. We have middle of the funnel content, and we have bottom of the funnel should be there somewhere as well, so down here. So this gives us, I think, roughly 10 pieces of content. Again, it gives us ideas. We can really run with these whatever way we want to. Has obviously clear call to actions. Again, clear call to action here. Join the marketing hub, $15 a month. Again, if we jump over, I have it at 15. I'll have to change that soon because the price is increasing. So yeah, that's pretty much one number two. Again, if you find it useful, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go through a lot of this kind of stuff. Now, on to tool number two. Tool number two pretty much is similar enough. Never run out of content ideas again, but we have it a bit of a different approach. This is a bit more generic, where it brings content from more information about your business. This focuses 100% on the YouTube channel. So again, if you have your own YouTube videos, it is an excellent way to get ideas built from that YouTube video, and in turn keeps everything on point, covering a similar theme topic for obviously if it's a week of content. Here we have simple enough. Again, what I've used now is a yoga expert business, again just to change things up a little bit. And all we do is we input this, we give it a friendly tone. We want 20 pieces of content idea. Again, you can easily download it as CSV if you can see the file here. And from there, it breaks down the content, top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, and then obviously retention content. So again, it goes through information here. Feeling stressed, try these 3 simple yoga poses you can do anywhere. Again, probably helpful if people understand more about yoga, if your target audience is yoga incentive or excited people or whatever it is. So work stress got you feeling tight, more than likely does. You don't need to fancy gear hours. So this is an excellent opportunity here to help people understand and dive into them pain points. Me personally, sitting at a computer all day, I get back pains, pain in my neck. This could potentially target me if it was tailored to help people obviously with back pain, working at a computer all day. Definitely, I personally think it's good content. Now, one piece of advice I would say in every single thing I talk about here is make sure you give your own input. These are ideas. These are not copy and paste content. Please do not do that. I absolutely hate when people do that. The aim of AI is to pretty much help you get in the middle ground. I've seen a brilliant video there a few nights ago. I can't think of the name of the people in it. James Smith was one of them, and Daniel Presley, I think I'm pronouncing it right, was another one. He mentions a great approach to what AI is. We the humans have started, we the humans finish it. AI can do the work in the middle, and I think this is the key thing here. So as us the humans, we input the information. Us the humans, we'll take the information and obviously put it up onto social media. But as I said, we have AI here has given us a massive amount of information to kind of build our idea from. And I think that is the most important thing you can take. If anyone out there, you're watching YouTube videos and it talks about AI and marketing and all these things, is please do not just copy and paste. Copying and pasting from AI is just rubbish, because AI still gives rubbish content in terms of overall written experience. So again, beginner's guide, what even is yoga, and if we quickly touch on this bottom of funnel content. So this is pretty much where, if you had a yoga membership, it's content that's going to focus on that. Ready to transform your practice? Join our yoga membership today. Still on the fence? Here's what our members are saying. Again, perfect, falls into all the fundamentals, correct fundamentals of marketing, what you need to do, what you don't need to do. Definitely the way to go about. And also, like here is, it puts in the price of whatever your membership is, which is obviously in this PDF that you should have. Context. AI needs context, everyone. Or context, everyone. So last but not least, the tool I'm working on at this moment in time, and it's not ready yet. It's almost ready to launch, and I'm building it out here at the moment. And I have it obviously done, the strategy shown here. This is a goal-driven campaign strategy generator. So the idea here is it creates a go-to-market plan for you for social media content and obviously blogs, whatever you want to do. And the key aim here of this is to, so if you have a membership group here or some sort of specific goal, something that you're launching, this is an excellent way to really help you drive content towards that. Now, we have options again with this is the output section of it. So campaign is balance starts here. This is the campaign name. Our two upload files on this entire thing will be a PDF about your business, your overall PDF about your business, which we use regularly and everything we create, and an actual campaign brief where it goes into key metrics such as your specific goals, your time to get to them, your SMART objectives, your pricing points, your personas. Covers everything that you need to include when you go to market strategies. So for this, obviously on the file it's set, we have Instagram and blog are only two channels we're going to be using, and lo and behold, our content plan gives us awareness, 27 pieces of content for awareness, 32 for consideration, and decision is 13. So that's in total, it's 62 pieces of content in total. I'm not sure what way that is. I think it could be duplicating somewhere because an Instagram story could be going to TikTok stories and stuff like that as well. But you can see here a breakdown. Obviously the date is not right because I have the date, I think, in the PDF is wrong. But again, here we go. Content plan. Beat constant fatigue with simple nutrition shifts. This was built on nutritional expert information. So again, this gives us a brief overview of what the actual post could be about. Discover how small dietary changes. Again, more information to help you understand exactly what you need to create for the user, obviously. Then an outline is just giving us an ideal outline of what should be included. Again, just more information to help you get past that phase of obviously not having a clue what to do. And then we have a clear call to action. Here I just threw in a marketing.com link. Again, this is what it's telling you to kind of put into that post, into a call to actions. So you want to learn more, this could be maybe to your own landing page where you learn more, you talk more about, or you might have an article, a blog article, or whatever the case is. Again, goes through all this content, consideration, client story, how Sarah achieved hormonal balance and mental clarity in 3 months. Again, perfect, giving you feedback. In terms of a user journey, if you're in consideration stage, this could potentially push you to join a membership. Again, most people don't do that. Most people just sell online. Social media is the same thing. Sell. And you need to give information. You need to give value. You need to give everything as much as you can. So as I said, look, it goes through the whole lot of it. We have a decision. So the €45 a month question, is Vital Balance Nutrition membership worth it? Again, goes through problems, common questions people have. Then you can outline what you're worried about, commitment, what they're getting. Again, just easing them concerns, easing them fears that people have of potentially joining. So that is pretty much the 3 tools I have at this moment in time. I have one more, but at this moment in time, I actually can't find it, so I'll have to skip that one. Yeah, look, as I said, this is what I do in marketing. Follow the fundamentals of marketing. Use AI to build simple systems that can save you time massively. This is what I'm doing in the group. As I said, AI basics, create your business overview. This is the PDF, a go-to PDF that you will use for every single thing that you use with AI, because as a reference, AI needs context. Customer persona builder, again, which is super easy, super useful to have. Then we come into the tools. We have the YouTube content funnel. We have a few of these tools. We have book of calls. So again, if people are interested in booking a call with me, I charge €200 a month, or €200 a month, €200 a call. Obviously, you join the group, you get a discount. So I think the way I'm trying to work this out at this moment in time, if you join a monthly plan, you get maybe, I think it is 20% discount. If you join on a yearly plan for the membership group, you get, I think it is 40 or 50 or 35 or something percent discount. So it's a bigger discount here. One thing I would push, if you do join the group, I will be active within the group anyway. So more than likely you won't even need a call. This is where I'm looking to help as many people as I can understand marketing, understand AI, and pretty much give us our times back to actually do the things you want to do. So there's no more having to sit down. For me personally, sit down the weekends watching soccer. I don't have to sit down and trying to be doing some work on phones of generating content and creating content, because I know that I have my content created using tools like this, and everything is built, I think, on the fundamentals of marketing, where you understand what the certain things do and for what reason. Again, link is in the description. You're not sure about joining, grab the free link for one of the free tools. Can't remember which one. I think is a never run out of content ideas. Something to help you along the way. If it helps, it helps. If it doesn't, let me know, and more than happy to get more involved. I suppose that's pretty much it. This may change. If you're seeing this, I have to change this. I might get around to it today. I'm not 100% sure, so take advantage if you can. Obviously, €15 a month, and pretty much you're locked in for 15 regardless if it changes. So definitely worth it now at this moment in time. Anyway, that's enough sales. I'm off out of it. Good luck.